Amazon DataZone Tutorial and Overview. Amazon DataZone is a comprehensive data management service designed to streamline the processes of cataloging, discovering, sharing, and governing data stored across various platforms, including AWS, on-premises, and third-party sources. It facilitates efficient data access and collaboration across organizational boundaries while ensuring robust governance and security. This tutorial provides an overview of Amazon DataZone, highlighting its key features, use cases, architecture, and steps to get started. By leveraging Amazon DataZone, organizations can enhance their data management capabilities and drive data-driven insights with ease. Amazon DataZone, key features and components. Unified Data Management Portal. Amazon DataZone provides a web-based application that serves as a centralized portal for users to catalog, discover, access, analyze, and govern data. This portal allows for seamless collaboration among data engineers, data scientists, product managers, analysts, and business users. Fine-grained access controls. Administrators and data stewards can manage and govern access to data using detailed access controls. This ensures that data is accessible with the appropriate level of privileges and context, enhancing data security and compliance. Built-in workflows. Amazon DataZone includes built-in workflows for data consumers to request access to data and for data owners to approve these requests. This automated process streamlines data access while maintaining strict governance. Integration with analytics tools. DataZone integrates with various AWS analytics tools like Amazon Redshift Query Editor and Amazon Athena, allowing users to consume data directly from the DataZone portal without needing to log into the AWS Management Console. Support for business glossaries. The service includes a business data catalog that supports a business glossary, providing consistent definitions for business terms across the organization. This enhances data understanding and ensures consistent use of terminology. Data projects and environments. DataZone projects are groupings based on business use cases where users, data assets, and analytics tools are organized to facilitate collaboration. Within projects, environments provide the necessary infrastructure and access controls for data and analytics tools. Amazon DataZone use cases. Find data in the Business Data Catalog. Users can search for, share, and access cataloged data using business terms, regardless of whether the data is stored on AWS, on-premises, or with third-party providers. Streamline workflow. Processes. Collaboration across teams is made efficient with self-service access to data and analytics tools, enhancing productivity and workflow efficiency. Simplify analytics access. Users receive a personalized view to discover, prepare, transform, analyze, and visualize data using the web-based application, simplifying the analytics process. Administrate access from one place. Centralized management of data access ensures compliance with organizational security regulations, making governance easier. Amazon DataZone features and integrations. Amazon DataZone supports programmatic interactions through APIs, AWS CloudFormation, AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, and AWS Cloud Development Kit, CDK. This flexibility allows for seamless integration with existing processes and automation of data management tasks. Getting started with Amazon DataZone. Below is the high-level flow. Getting started with Amazon DataZone. Create a domain. Begin by creating a domain that encompasses all core components like the business data catalog, projects, and environments. This can be done through the Amazon DataZone console. Create projects and environments within the data portal. Create projects that align with business use cases and set up environments that provide the necessary infrastructure for data and analytics tools. Publish data. Use environments to publish data assets into the Amazon DataZone catalog. This includes defining metadata and setting up data access controls. Subscribe to data. Data consumers can search for and request access to published data assets. Approved requests grant access to the data, which can be analyzed using integrated tools like Amazon Redshift and Amazon Athena. Amazon DataZone is a data management service that facilitates the cataloging, discovery, sharing, and governance of data across AWS, on-premises, and third-party sources. It provides a unified data management portal with built-in workflows and fine-grained access controls, enhancing data accessibility and collaboration. Users can seamlessly integrate with AWS analytics tools to derive data-driven insights efficiently.